Good morning.
Good morning.
It's another day.
I woke up like this. Look at my hair.
And you know what? It's earlier than yesterday.
Oh.
Why not? You know what? New day, different hat. All right, let's do this. What are you making?
I'm making sandwich.
With lots of mayonnaise.
It's Kewpie. It's not the regular mayonnaise.
Kewpie. Let me see it. Ooh, Japanese goodness.
I don't know why there's a baby picture in there.
There's a baby picture? There.
There. Is it?
Baby mayonnaise? Sam, it's so dark. You're so dark. You're like a ninja dog.
Are you a ninja dog, Sam?
I really can't even see you. Oh, I see your nose. So yesterday, my chef informed me that I get to work bumper shoot 2 days this week. Also, I really hate this turn. There's no mirrors. It's just a guessing game, or you roll down your windows and use your earballs. It's actually kind of dark out this morning. Saturday, I'm scheduled for working bumper shoot. A music festival going on in Seattle Center. Tomorrow, instead of just working my normal morning shift, I get to go help out a bumper shoot. So 2 days this week. That'll be fun. But for now, I'm gonna drive to work. And later, the wife and I are gonna go on a produce hunt. It is summer. Seriously, another day with $14 parking. At least I have coffee. Life's nectar. Oh my gosh. I gave myself a fat lip first thing in the morning.
Professional, my friend.
Well, that was exhausting. My battery's gonna die, but I'll do a follow-up when I get home. So it's now 9:35, and last time I saw you it was like 4:30. Yeah, so ended up driving to Beacon Hill, which is a very ethnic neighborhood, and it's pretty ethnic. I mean, you got Ethiopians on one side and Vietnamese on the other and Chinese on the other, and all sorts of mix of everything. Well, I went there because Lau and I like going to farm stands and you know, farmers markets if we can afford them. And we went to McPherson's, which is amazing, amazing place. But before that, I had to wait for her at the light rail station, and right across the street is a grocery store, and right behind the grocery store is Delight Bakery. There's a Filipino bakery. Got some snacks there, waited for Lau, and our friend Millie was home, and she lives down the street from there, and so she met up with us, and we all went to the McPherson's together, and we got a lot. I mean, a lot, like a case of food. I'm having to process some of it because, you know, I got discount stuff, and I don't like to waste food. And so we get all this food, and Millie's like, I'm trying to make this dish, this Korean dish. I can't remember what it's called. She's like, I need this, this, and this. I'm like, well, you're not going to find it here, but there's like 4 Asian markets in the area that I know. And so we went to Fuli, which is Lau's favorite, which is like it's a Filipino grocery. Tiny little spot, but it's got all the cool stuff, you know. Even my favorite soda, which, hold on. Dude, where is it? My drink. I can't find this anywhere else. Sarsi. It tastes like actual, like, sarsaparilla, like real root beer. I don't drink soda, but if I find this stuff, it's so freaking good. Oh, and it's foaming everywhere. Yep, there it goes. Anyways. Yeah, it's soda. Oh, but it's so good. We go to there, and it's already like 6 o'clock by the time we get to there. And Millie's like, oh, well, they don't have gochujang, and they don't have this, and so we go to the grocery store across the street. It's more diverse, you know, less specific. Get everything that we need. Go back to Millie's place on Beacon Hill. She makes this dish, and I don't know much about Korean food. I've had a lot of different Asian food, but Korean food is one I don't know as much about. I'm kind of curious now. And she makes this dish, and it's got like mozzarella cheese and these noodles that are made of rice, and it's kind of American tasting in a way, but not. You know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy. Anyways, we stay and we lose track of time, and we forget our freaking dog is at home by himself. So now we're home, and I'm processing food. And I'm probably going to go to bed in like an hour and a half. I figured I'd recap. There's 3 minutes of recap. Yeah. Tomorrow's going to be a longer day, considering I'm going to be at bumper shoot. And hopefully Lau will come with me.
Hi.
Maybe bring Sammy.
I'm trying.
They're hiding under the bed.
Sammy's
That's why it's so dark. Yeah, it's a mess in here.
I don't know, but maybe I'll sleep with Sammy tonight because...
Are you going to sleep on the floor?
Maybe on the floor, on the couch with Sammy. Are you going to join us?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Well, you don't have to because you don't have to.
Well, that's all. Because I have a lot of things to do before I go to bed. But I figured I'd recap. Good night!